Hi everyone. Today let's learn how to build multiplication table by drawing lines. Are you all ready to learn? Let's go. Building multiplication tables. So first let us build two tables. Draw line, a single vertical line. So this line we call vertical line. So 1 and 2. So remember we are going to build two tables. So two vertical lines. Next, horizontal line. So this we called horizontal line. So two vertical lines, we are going to build two tables. Then horizontal line on that. So now you can see here midpoint. This horizontal line and the vertical line are joining here. This is the midpoint of this two line that you have to mark it. So now you could see two dots, two midpoints. So two vertical lines on one horizontal line. So two ones are 2. So this is two table. So two ones are 2 vertical lines and one horizontal lines. After drawing, we could see two midpoints joining this vertical and horizontal. So two ones are 2. Next, one more horizontal line. So here again you can see two more midpoints that you have to mark it. Now two vertical lines and two horizontal lines. So all together how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how to write in the tables? 2 2s are 4. 2 vertical lines, 2 horizontal lines. So the midpoints all together 4. So 2 2s are 4. Next 3 horizontal lines, vertical lines are same 2. So the midpoints you have to mark it. Now totally there are 6. So how to write the multiplication table? 2 3s are 6. 2 vertical lines, 3 horizontal lines. So 2 3s are total midpoint 6. 2 3s are 6. Fourth one, again midpoint. So the multiplication term, 2 4s are 8. So remaining you have to build two table and you have to complete. So you can extend till how much you want. So the midpoints you have to write. Then again you can add the horizontal lines and you can write the midpoints. So you can extend the table. So this is how you are going to build two table. Next, three table. So here we have drawn two horizontal lines to build two table. So now we are going to build three table. So we have to draw through three vertical lines. So 3. Now 1 horizontal lines. So we have to write the midpoints, mark it. So 3 1s are 3. Join one more horizontal line, mark the midpoints. So multiplication table, 3 2s are 6. Third one, so 3 3s are 9. So you can keep adding. So now let's try. So now there are two vertical lines, 3, 4, 5. So now could you try which table we are going to write? There are 5 vertical lines. So we are going to write fifth table. So vertical lines are 5, horizontal line 1. So midpoints we have to mark it. There are 5 midpoints. Again, second horizontal line, mark the midpoints. Now, could you try it represent which table? So, how to write the multiplication term for this? So, it represents fifth table, and the multiplication term is 5 2s are 10. So, there are 5 vertical lines, 2 horizontal lines. So, 5 2s are total midpoints are 10. Now, let's try one more. So, count how many vertical lines are there? 7. So, we are going to write 7th table. One horizontal line, mark the midpoints. So, second one, mark the midpoints. Third one. So, how will you represent this in a multiplication term? 7, 3 horizontal lines. So, 7 3s are total midpoints 21. So, 7 3s are 21. So, children, next you have to find out the products of the following by drawing lines. 4 5s are, 6 2s are, 8 8s are. Try, will be have fun. Hope you all understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.